Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to the channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Ford Escape 1.5 turbo. Right now the check engine light is for the purge valve. These three are related for the EVAP bad purge valve. Now for the last code, when I looked it up, it says replace short block. So basically it's a bad cylinder head. It's not just for this model. I get a couple Ford with the same engine and newer with the same code, and then some of the code also related to replacing the short block too, but I'm going to show you later on the computer. But when I told the customer about this code, he don't want to fix that code. He just worried about the EVAP, so I just replace whatever he's want me to replace. So just the EVAP only, fix that part. Now I noticed a few problems to the purge valve line. I'm not sure if the owner trying to work on this by himself or someone trying to work on it before, but all the clip is broken. Now this clip, I took it out from here, from the back. It was just hanging loose inside. It was because it was missing the white lock on this side. This piece broke in half right here is from the back right here. Let me show you. There's so the purge valve line is this line and this line together. So if you follow this line right here, this is from the top right here, and then you follow it, and then it goes to the another two line in the back here. So the one that was broken was on the black one right here. It was just half a piece. Now for the red lock, you're gonna press on this part right here, press on this part and this part. So there's two sides. Push it out and push back, and then from there you can press the white lock right here. Press on the white lock and then pull. Same thing to this one. This one is completely broken. There's no clip on there, nothing to lock it. So just push it out like that, and then if you look down here, there's another one with the green lock. So you push the green lock out, like press it up, and then there's another white tab back down here. Press on it and then pull from the tube right here, pull at the same time. And then for the purge valve right here, the connector right here, so it sits like this, and then you press on this tab right here, pull back. Now for the one in the back, you're gonna have to take out the air box and the air boot right here to get access to the one in the back. For some reason this air tube is giving me a problem. It's stuck really good. I take out the brake reservoir, so I moved it to the side to give me some room. Now if you follow it, the purge line, you can see right there, the one with the red lock, that's the one I'm trying to get to. So let me try it. I don't know if I can zoom in, focus the camera. You see the one with the red tap right there, that's the one I'm taking out. So what you're gonna do is reach your hand back, and you can get to the line. Press the lock back, and then press the white tab and pull. There you go. The whole thing comes out like that. There you go. Here's the whole piece. It's two separate lines, but it comes as a one piece. Now this one is original. Now I can show you the part number for Ford. There you go. That's the part number. This big number right here, Fomico. So this is from Ford, but the one I bought is from O'Reilly. It's aftermarket, but it works the same, fits the same. Just a different thing is the connector right here instead of the clip. So this one you press in to get it unlocked, and then this one where the mounting part is for the purge valve. Now that little bushing right there and the little bracket for you to hook onto the tube right here. Now this is the part number for the purge valve. I couldn't get the original one because they're on back order. I got my EVAP line, the one in the back, all the way in already. It's kind of hard for you guys to see it, but it's in, it clicks. So for the bracket right here, hang it back on the hook. For the connector, make sure you guys check the wire in the back, make sure it's not broken or ripped. Check the pin in here too, make sure it's not corroded or damaged, anything. If it's good, put it back. There you go, clicks. For this one, right here, clicks. The bottom one goes in, clicks, good. There you go. This one right here. This line right there. And then for the one that's right here, follow this. And then this one will be the one on the outside. Click. And then the other one, click. That's good. If you guys want to get it out, just press on the white tab. Press on the white tab like this and pull. That's it. Same thing on the one right here. Press on the white tab to remove it. There you go, like that. Press it back. It's good. Then just put back your air box. Now I got everything back to its original place. Don't forget the reconnect the connector, the brake reservoir. Everything is good. Put the engine cover back. Now let me show you for the code P1450 right there. All these codes right here are the same, and for the 17 and 18 they have issue with that a lot. And then when I typed in the code, it comes out as a short block right there. I don't know why, but I guess this engine cylinder head has a problem. Right now I have the key on. I'm gonna click the check engine light, but I'm gonna show you the code again. Memory. There you go. That's all the codes. So the codes right here, like I said, I remember. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. There's another Ford that came in. It was a Ford Fusion with the same engine, 1.5. It was I think it was on 2019 or 20 that has P0304. So when I type in that code, it says replace engine. I do not know why, but I guess that model, the design of it is bad, so has a lot of problem with that. Now for the pending, just only the EVAP. So now I'm gonna clear the code. That's it. So Ford have a lot of issue with the EVAP system. Very common. There you go. Code clear. Turn it off. Turn it back on. So that is it for this video, guys. Just a purge valve replace. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Peace.